think this is the reason why we can say na we are effective in deterring China from doing this small-scale reclamation, because China also doesn't want to get caught on how they do it.
Napigilan ng Philippine Coast Guard ang planong reklamasyon ng China sa Sabina Shoal. Ito ang ipinahayag ni Commodore J. Tariela, tagapagsalita ng Philippine Coast Guard for the West Philippine Sea, matapos matuklasan kamakailan ang pagtatambak ng coral sa lugar. Ayon kay Commodore Tariela, kung naging matagumpay ang China sa kanilang planong reklamasyon sa lugar, lubha itong nakakabahala para sa bansa dahil mahihirapan ng makapagsagawa ang Pilipinas ng rotational at resupply mission sa mga sundalo ng bansa sa nakasadsad na barko sa Ayungin Shoal.
If the Chinese will be very successful in carrying out this kind of reclamation and then converting this once again to another naval base or something, it will be very difficult for the Armed Forces of the Philippines and the Philippine Coast Guard to do the resupply mission, because they have already encircled the entire Ayungin Shoal if ever they're going to be successful in Sabina Shoal.
Bukod sa BRP Teresa Magbanwa, nagpapatrolya din ang dalawa pang 44-meter vessel ng PCG sa lugar, ang BRP Cabra at BRP Malabrigo.
That's what I'm saying, is that the commandant for the Philippine Coast Guard has to make sure that we're not going to allow China from carrying out a successful reclamation in Sabina Shoal.
Sa halos isang buwang pananatili ng barko ng PCG sa Sabina Shoal, naging maingat ang mga galaw ng mga barko ng China. Kaya malaking palaisipan sa PCG kung paano na isasagawa ang pagtatambak ng mga patay na corals ng mga barko ng China sa lugar.
It still puzzles Dr. Anticamara. It also puzzles us. How do they dump the dead corals? Is it through sandbagging? Is it through hydraulic vacuum? There are different ways. Pero ang intention nga natin dito, why we decided to anchor Philippine Coast Guard vessel as the rigid hull inflatable boats roam around the area, is to catch them talaga, for us to know how they're doing this. Since wala pa talaga tayong photo or image na kung paano natin masasabing how they're doing it, yan yung gusto nating malaman.
Plano ng PCG na muling magdala ng marine scientists sa lugar para suriin ang mga itinambak na mga corals sa mga sandbar ng Sabina Shoal. Ang Chinese Embassy hindi pa nagbibigay ng komento kung inaamin nila o itinatanggi ang pahayag na ito ng PCG. Pero ayon kay Commodore Tariela,
is not that confident to say and to confirm that that's their vessel. But again, let me stress this fact. It is not that I think that these are their vessels. We have photos and videos to prove that. And they should be man enough to accept that they have really deployed and intruded our own waters.
Ryan Lacanlale, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.